Thursday, Cooking with Kevin. This week we're doing pizza puffs. A very simple recipe. Does have a few ingredients, but it's quick, easy, about 15 minutes to get everything together and about 35 minutes total, so 20 minutes of cooking time. I will read the ingredients. We need 3 cups of biscuit, 2 eggs, a cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, or any kind of salt that you have, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 cup of mini pepperoni, plus more for garnishing. I'm also doing a ham as well. A half cup grated Parmesan, plus more for garnishing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the grated for in here, and I picked up some shredded for the garnishing. And then 8 mozzarella string cheese sticks. And we're going to be cutting them into thirds. So we're going to be putting them into the dough. We're actually going to be using a muffin tin. All right, let's get going. So first is 3 cups of biscuit. Using up one of the boxes that we had. All right. Well, winter is upon us. We got some snow last week. We'll be getting a little bit today, not a lot, but it's been blowing though, causing a few issues on the roads and stuff. Okay, that is our 3 cups of biscuit and 2 eggs. Oh, not the whole egg. Just what's inside of it. There we go. Okay. Milk, 1 cup of milk. Three tablespoons of olive oil. Teaspoons? Tablespoons. All right, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Three-quarter teaspoon of kosher salt. So I don't have a 3/4, and I'm not gonna, so I'll just guesstimate. And then pepperoni. and ham. Now I couldn't find like the little mini pepperoni, so I just got normal pepperoni and chopped it up. Want to make sure this is mixed good. Okay. And preheat your oven to 400. Okay. Now, we're going to spray our muffin tin with some cooking spray. And we're going to scoop. I'm not really sure how much, so I'm going to start out small. Oh, I didn't put my Parmesan in there. Oh, Kelly, it's all your fault. Why did I miss the Parmesan? Oh, folks, I'm sorry. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna pause you there, fix my mess, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, folks. Totally skipped right over that, and they would have tasted not so good. All right, so let's go back. So we're gonna re-scoop. This actually makes quite a bit. We'll have to take some out of these other ones. Just to even them out. Oh, I took a little bit too much out of there. Okay. All right. Now we are going to cut some cheese strings up. cut them in thirds. And we're just gonna plop them down into the mix. I think what I'm gonna do is cut all these first before I start pressing them down, otherwise I'm gonna have to keep washing my hands. Well, that's funny because it says 8 mozzarella cheese strings cut into thirds, and I tell you, I don't need. I'm not gonna need 8 of these. Alright, I'm struggling with these. I don't know if somebody didn't do their math right when they did these, but yeah, I didn't even need that many. Three of them are going to get a little extra. Okay, now we are going to top these with another piece of pepperoni. Have a mess going on tonight. Now, let's take some of this parm. I hate when wet hands trying to get plastic off. I'm just gonna lightly put a little bit of parm on each of these, the shredded. We are baking these for about 20 minutes at 400. That's it. All right. When they're ready and we're ready to taste test, I'll bring you over at the table. See you in a bit. Okay. They are done. They are big. They smell good. I forgot the garlic as well, which I think that's one thing I won't really notice that much with these.
I love garlic, thank you
Well,
very
I
much.
know, but there's Parmesan and stuff in here, so.
I don't know, I'm thinking they're finger foods. Just do this.
Well, they are, but.
They're yummy.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Very good. They are finger foods, but I think what I would do, it says it yields 12. I think you could actually do 24 and do them smaller. So they are a little bit like smaller in size.
Well, so you could do that for potlucks and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. So, okay. Thanks, folks, for joining us this week with the pizza puffs. Like I said, it's very quick. It took not even 15 minutes to put together, 20 minutes in the oven, and they are delicious. I think I put more cheese in the middle too. Yeah, I mean, you can. It's a recipe you can modify it anyways. Anyways, thanks for joining us. And we'll like I always say every week. I don't know what I'm gonna make next week, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. See you next week.